Gonzalez Gonzalez Martinez IV.
And my name is... What's my name? Oh. No, my name's Pickle the Banana.
That was Pickle the Banana. My name is don't tell anyone, but it's Bernard. But everyone calls me Weirdo. I think it's cool.
Hello, my name is Sydney Dog. Yes, I'm so pretty.
Sup, Sydney? Hey, I'm the New Jersey boy of this little facility here, and I think that Sydney is something very hot and sexy. So, you tell her I said that. By the way, my name's Tyler.
What is this thing? Well, I'm just doing what everyone was doing. My name is Broccoli.
Broccoli, get away from the camera. Hey! Hi, my name's Alyssa, and I'm a bit crazy, but I get really scared if people talk to me, so shh.
Hello, my name is Cat. You know, you might find it weird that I'm a dog, but my name is Cat.
Let's go and have some fun.
No, never.
Never. Help me, Broccoli. Hey, who's that?
Boom, boom, kaboom.